7:28 at night. It's still January 10th, 2023. It's still Tuesday, and the Lego building continues. So there, the great God, we were that baby. Alright, boys and girls. Got a Christmas present for myself. A couple of days after Christmas, and call it a belated birthday present or a late birthday present right here. I was trying to get back into Lego building again. I can't tell you how crazy this is for a 57-year-old to get through it. Especially when he's got fat fingers that still hurt like crazy. But I'm still trying to keep the old noggin working. Okay, I've gotten through several of these things. What I'm trying to build is all these damn little gizmos we got over here before I could try actually doing something with this stuff here. And until I get to that stuff, I gotta get through the smaller stuff, build it up, tear it all apart, and then hopefully build this. I'd like to build that. And if I had more Lego pieces, I would. A little better. But I had older sets and lost them a long time ago. So, what we do now, we build. We got about 4 more sets left. Not that. Okay. It's still down. Okay, what we're going to be building, boys and girls. We're going to be building old number 9 here. See him? Okay. Yeah. See all that shit? Yeah, that's what I got to build. I'm hoping my fingers will be able to do this stuff. It's very delicious. Okay, so here we go. I have a few extra pieces over here that may or may not be utilized, but we'll see what happens. So, since we are talking about tires here, hang on. I'm trying to get ahead of the tires because these things usually do hurt my fingers. So I have to see how many of these things we have left to work with, and I'm going to get the tires fixed first. And then mount them. You know, these things used to be a hell of a lot easier a long time ago. You didn't have to worry about all these things. Storms we've been getting in California have been kicking our asses left and right. Apparently there's a lot of flood watches, people's evacuations, and burn areas, different places, and we got a death toll going up in California. Some of the major areas that we've had really hurt like hell. Okay, these things I'm just gonna pop in here somehow. And hopefully the damn thing snaps and I am able to get these things in here. Because otherwise my fingers are going to kill me. I will do what I can. Okay, here we go. Alright. Okay. Now for the chassis. Okay. We got yeah, I keep forgetting which song that song, but I always like it. Fathers will be walking on the sun. Okay, here comes the fun part. What is it, motors? Whoever designed these damn things with these smaller shits, I really got to talk to these designers. Like, what's with all the damn pain in the ass things that you got on here? Just make them with larger material to get this shit going. All these small pieces. Dog could chew them up. Actually, my dog wouldn't like the taste of these things anyway. Alright. So, well, we got. Okay. Alrighty. Now. Aha. They don't have it, do we? You silly little simpleton. You misread the instructions all over again. Take these damn things off. Alright. So, we got that. Okay, so those things I just got on there. Guess what? What are we dealing with? Yeah, but, okay, let's see. Okay, so we got that. Okay. So now what? We have okay. We need the orange. These little thingies. Okay, so we got that. Now we go for the back. Okay. So a bitch. Okay, two. Where are we at? And I gotta have 4 flats. Or just 1 flat. 1 flat. Alright. Okay, now what? Alright. And we'll do the 4 on there. Right. So let's do that. Doesn't work. Wait a second. Wait. Okay, so we did that. And we did that. That's what we have. Alright. Alright. So now we need to do 4 more. Ugh. A simple square could have worked on some of these things, I'll tell you. Yeah, well, stickers. Friggin' pain in the butts. You know what the hell they're doing. No, apparently not. Alright. Put these together. Okay, yeah. Alright, go over here. Okay, this is supposed to be a buggy. So, here's supposed to be maybe supposed to put a muppet on his name. Ah, come on, you little bastard. Get on there, you asshole. It's not working. Why is it not working? There it goes. Okay. Well then. This one. Oh, this way. Okay. Meep, meep. Meep, meep. Meep, 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 meep. Meep, meep, meep. Meep, meep. What else? What else? Okay. I just need to see what else I got going on this same thing. See, where are those fight scenes? Ah, one of them, okay. Actually, wait a second, okay. I had two of those. That's what's supposed to be going back. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll go in the back. I am not doing that. That piece anyway. What else? Tires. Alright, we need to do this. I know, I got extras on this damn thing. What do I got? Why didn't you tell me that one in the first place, you little bastard? You pain in the ass. What do we do about Tootie? What do we got? Lots of those. That. I was supposed to do that, but I didn't do that one in just a second. What else we got? Okay, that. Okay. Alright. Okay, so what do we got? Tires on that. Tires on that. Now. Okay. Let's go through one of them. So, what do we got? That is okay. Get that on there. Get that on here. Like so. Haha. Alright. Well, there you go. Here's your go-kart. Not much of a buggy, is it? Not much of a buggy. That's the rolls. Cruiser control, we just got a flat on here. What happened? Someone's dog ate the damn tires. Okay, so what do you think? By the time I'll get something built over here, I'll have something over here and I won't know what the hell it's for. Okay, next video. Short and simple.